What's up, Vehicle Virgin fans?
Fire up. We're in his new Ford GT. This thing's badass, dude. Oh my God. It sounds horrible.
Yes, it does.
I'm sorry for you. Oh. No exhaust on it? Just freaking straight pipe?
No, it's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid. What, part V8, part Savage?
You got that right.
All right, let's hit it. Hey. So we're at the gas station. How do you open the gas cap on a Ford GT?
Put the key in, turn to the left, lift the knob.
I will say, as silly and over the top as that is, that is cool.
It's actually very secure.
Cool.
It's very secure.
Look at the color of this car, guys. You were saying it's kind of a Camilo Parda.
It's a Camilo, yeah.
Little ode.
It's a Parda tribute wrap.
That is beautiful.
6 cars, I think he did.
Yeah.
So I did number 7. That's my favorite number anyway.
Awesome.
So I did like a tribute wrap.
And it was a stripe delete.
It's a straight delete
silver car.
Full stripe delete.
And now it's straight piped.
Now it's straight piped.
And
soon to be 3.5 or 4.5 Whipple supercharged.
And just so you guys know, he's not talking about the motor. That's a 5.4.
Yes.
He's talking about a 4.5 liter blower.
Yeah, exactly. So the belt size goes from this to like that.
No way.
Yeah, so you can see the belt back here.
All right, we are headed to Wheels Boutique and their new shop, which I'm sorry, I don't know the name of. What's your
Detail Boutique.
Detail. Oh, well,
there you go.
So. Now, these doors, they're awesome. But as I said in my 5 things I hate about the Ford GT, for situations like this where they can swing into things, and I gotta crawl underneath here like I'm in a cave.
It's 6 feet tall is I think the max.
Max. I'm 5'11", and it's hard, and you're 6, and it's
Yeah, it definitely feels like you're gonna get decapitated.
That's fine. Yeah, dude, I don't think you could drive this in California. It's a little loud. I think you should try though.
I'm not Canadian.
Let's go hurt some feelings. Beautiful Performante. See if he wants to play. It's looking like a no.
Nice rental.
This thing is so sick. And yes, you can tell it's a rental because they were filming with their phones the entire time. Now, to be fair, it's a little hypocritical. I am also filming, but it is also my job.
But we make money with it.
You're not wrong.
It just smoked the tires right now. Just
Yeah?
here. Oh yeah. Just a nice pop, clutch pop. Sure.
Okay. And that's why they call him Randy Savage. So we're gonna show more of this in a bit, but he's actually got a crazy lift system. It's a KW coilover system that also has little airbags on the top that and it's just revolutionizing the freaking the game.
It basically allows you to lift because the rear diffuser is so low.
It is.
You know, I mean, it's either...
Yeah, I mean, this car from the factory didn't have a front lift, of course, and now you got a front and rear lift.
No, yeah, exactly.
That's epic.
Makes all the difference in the world.
Of course.
Around, and then you can keep a nice low, you know, low ride height.
Dude, I think he's ready to go. Now,
That didn't quite work out.
yeah, Yeah, the tinted windows didn't have as much power as we thought.
No, the car was dirty. It didn't have the aerodynamics.
That makes sense, honestly, if you think about it that way. There is something about the 2005, 2006 Ford GT, guys. That is epic. And that explains it right there.
This thing does fantastic donuts, dude.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'd kind of like to see that.
At the office, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
We got the nice area outside. Lame. I've seen cooler.
My favorite part of this is that the alarms are going off.
That was ridiculous.
That was ridiculous. That's a big truck. So we're back at Wheels Boutique, and then my boy Randy started Detail Boutique next door. So we'll have to go check that out. Well, let's do a quick little walkthrough because they always have the most ridiculous stuff in this place. I mean, for one, just look at the building itself. The floors, everything is so beautiful, it's modern. Alex just pointed out that there are chairs made out of wheels. I need that in my house. Like, if that's not a car guy chair, I don't know what is. Beautiful Aventador S, and some awesome wheels, beautiful 488. I mean, everything here is unbelievable. Now check out.
How about that turbo?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
993 turbo, black on black, manual obviously.
Wait for it. Wait
Aftermarket
for
exhaust. These HREs are they're unreal. I mean, it's Wheels Boutique, so they're on the best wheels. But beautiful Anarchy wheels on the 488, and then
Boom.
I don't want to touch too much on this because this car deserves its own video. But I've never seen the next J220 in person other than the last time I was at Wheels Boutique, and then here again. I'll give you just a brief tease of how cool this car is. I don't want to talk too much because I'm going to do a 5 insane features video. There's gauges on the door. I mean, when have you seen gauges on a door of a car? And that's like the least impressive thing about the whole car. I want one of these things. They're actually not crazy expensive for what they are. I mean, it's crazy expensive, but you know what I mean.
Look at it from
And
this
then look,
angle.
we've got the freaking man himself. Good to see you. He's doing YouTube now, so follow Wheels Boutique, of course. I think we got some cool videos planned, so sure, stay tuned. All right, what do you think of that GT? It's pretty awesome. All right, for those of you who don't know, the suspension is the best. This is Alex. Alex drives, just tell him what you drive.
Stage 2, Boot Mod 3,
Yeah?
M3 competition.
Why'd you say it like that?
'Cause I'm just such a car guy.
You are. Oh, I love this Ford GT. So now we are inside Detail Boutique. What's going on, man? Where they've got some of the cleanest cars around, both in terms of their build and literally clean. I mean, look how amazing this slammed wide body GTR is. Then we've got one of the coolest Gallardos ever. So, my friend's Gallardo over there that we're gonna show you, he got some pretty cool new HRUs, and he just told me they're so light that I need to pick them up. Now, I'm aware that these are filled with air, and air is actually kind of heavy, and so is rubber. But let's see. I mean, wheels are heavy. If you guys have ever picked up wheels. Dude, how much do these weigh?
18 pounds.
18 pounds. And that's a rear.
That's a 20 by 11.
Rear.
Yeah.
Is this a front?
That's a front. Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
And you guys know I'm not strong. This is awesome. Congratulations. All right, so on that note, let's check out. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Say what you do.
I'm John. So from Savage Garage.
Yeah.
So I guess let's go walk through it before.
Yeah. Let's check out what body kit is this? Liberty Walk or?
Liberty Walk.
All right.
That's a second edition too.
Gotcha. I will say those Vossens are gorgeous.
The first
Of course.
edition didn't have
Yep. That's why I asked. I was like, I think it's Liberty Walk, but I haven't seen those vented fenders.
So basically, it's a little bit updated, and then it's the same owner for both of these cars.
Gotcha.
And then,
That makes sense.
And then this is the LP550-2. Get it?
It's pretty awesome, dude. Yep. You've got a rear-wheel drive manual Gallardo in Orencio Borealis.
Yep.
It doesn't get, it doesn't get much worse than that.
Yep. And then the interior matches as well.
Oh my God. And so the first thing when I saw the interior of this earlier, I go, dude, how many miles are on this? Like 5? How many?
20,000.
20,000.
Yep.
You need to work some magic like that on one of my cars. All right, so what are you about to do?
Pour some water on it.
You're just gonna pour water on your Lamborghini? Oh, dude. Ceramic coated interiors, ladies and gentlemen.
Always.
17-inch methods on it, 35-inch BFGs on it, and we're gonna take it off-roading.
Are we?
Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm down.
I'm down.
And then he's got the Superleggera style wing that I had on my Gallardo. The only difference is I did love my Gallardo. The 5-liter is arguably a better sounding motor than the 5.2, but it was not rear wheel drive. It was not manual. While I loved yellow minus, this is the other color that I absolutely love. This is, in my opinion, pretty much the best Gallardo ever made. And probably their opinions. What are your opinions? What are your opinions? Best Gallardo?
Never saw that.
Good. So yeah, guys, link in description below. It is for sale. Send me the commission, and I'm just kidding.
This is definitely the best car.
Yeah, what's the best Gallardo?
The race car.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, I mean.
But that's not a
but
street
this is
car.
second best.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a Gallardo race car?
Well, no.
The beautiful thing about that.
Yeah, tell me about that. Is this a magic lift? What is this?
So it goes up 6 feet. It's,
6 feet.
yeah.
And what's the weight capacity?
6,000 pounds.
So any car I've ever owned can go on this low profile. And
That's it. You don't need a compressor for it.
how?
It's just plug and play. That's it.
In a 220 outlet or?
Just any outlet. That's it. And it's only $2,400. Yeah.
You're kidding.
So I will give you $2,401 for this right now. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm not kidding though.
No, we'll ship you one.
I'm not kidding. Hey, wait, excuse me. Encore. No more encore. I can't even hear. Do you have hearing issues or? Huh? Got him.
What?
Who?
What, where, why?
Next question. Dude.
Hi, how you doing?
Hey.
Hey, what up?
Oh,
Hey.
no.
What are you doing, John?
Is this an outro? Hey, John. How
you doing?
yeah.
Now with those fancy Yeezys, you gotta get in.
Oh. That's an outro. See you next video.
That was